Hi, my name is Xinran Li. Here is my video presentation for ECE6303 Homework 7, Question 7. Zt equals to n1t cosine omega ct plus theta plus n2t sine omega t plus theta, where theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi, and n1t and n2t are y-sense stationary. n1t and n2t and theta are all independent. Question A. Find the expectation of Zt. So, because of net and n2t is y-sense stationary, so we can know that the expectation of n1t equals to eta 1, and the expectation of n2t equals to eta 2. Question number A. We want to find the expectation of zeta t. Zeta t equals to n1t cosine omega ct plus theta plus n2t sine omega ct plus theta. And this equals to expectation first equals to expectation of second, and because n1t, n2t, and theta are all independent, so this equals to expectation of n1t multiply expectation of last, and this also equals to here. And first equals to eta 1, and the second equals to 1 over 2 pi 0 to 2 pi cosine omega ct plus theta d theta, and number 2 equals to sine omega ct plus theta d theta, and this equals to 0. So question number A, the expectation of Zt equals to 0. And the question B, find the Rz T1, T2, and find its zeta t WSS. Number 2, we want to find the Rz T1, T2, and this equals to the expectation of zeta t1 multiply zeta t2, and this equals to n1 t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta plus n2 t2 sine omega ct1 plus theta, and this multiply the n1 t2 cosine omega theta plus omega ct2 plus theta plus n2 t2 sine omega theta t2 plus theta. And we calculate this equals to here multiply here, here multiply here, here multiply here, here multiply here, and the answer equals to n1 t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta multiply n1 t2 cosine omega theta t omega ct2 plus theta and plus n1 t1 cosine omega theta t1 plus theta multiply n2 t2 sine omega theta t2 plus theta plus the expectation of n2 t1 cosine omega theta t1 plus theta multiply n1 t2 cosine omega theta t2 plus theta multiply n2 t1 sine omega theta t1 plus theta multiply n2 t2 sine omega theta omega ct2 plus theta, and this equals to this plus this equals to Rne theta, and this multiply this equals to eta 1 eta 2. This equals multiply this equals to eta 1 eta 2. This equals to this equals multiply this equals to Rn2 theta. So this we can also calculate this into 1/2 Rne theta multiply 1/2 pi cosine omega theta t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta plus cosine omega theta t plus 1/2 eta 1 plus eta 2 multiply 1/2 pi 0 to 2 pi cosine omega c t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta plus minus sine omega ct plus 1/2 eta 1 eta 2 plus 1/2 pi 0 to 2 pi sine omega c t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta plus sine omega ct, and minus 1/2 Rn2 theta plus 1/2 pi 0 to 2 pi cosine omega c t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta multiply d theta minus cosine omega ct, and this equals to 1/2 Rne theta plus Rn2 theta multiply cosine omega c theta equals to Rz theta. So we can know that the zt is wide sense stationary. And question C, if zt is wide sense stationary, find the Rz0. The Rz0 equals to 1/2 Rne0 plus Rn20 equals to 1/2. The expectation of Net to 2 multiply the expectation of N2T to 2. Here is all the answer. That's all. Thank you.